So it's all about routine. Don't fancy that. Maybe I'll just leave it a while. I did this the other day, came out for a run, fell off the pavement and absolutely buggered my ankle. So it's actually good to be back. That was the pavement. It bloody hurt. What's a little bit of rain? It's not going to stop me. It's like every city centre, I guess, at the moment. But it's really depressing. That was really good. It was good to get out, especially when we can't get out, can't do anything. It's really good to try and build some form of exercise into your routine. I've missed it for the last couple of weeks because I fell off that damn pavement, but that wasn't too bad. How are you guys coping? What sort of routines have you set up for yourself to cope with lockdown? Let me know.